Hey y'all, it's Brother Nick. Decided to make a do-it-yourself video fixing nail guns here. And today we have a stuck driver. It's not moving. So what we're going to do is take it apart and get it to move. So you take off this one side. Very easy. Loosen that Allen. Take that piece right off of there. Right off the nose. We're going to flip it over. We're going to loosen this Allen screw just a little, not all the way because it's connected to the spring. And we're going to take this one off right here. So we can take this track off, get it in position, crack that sucker. Kind of hurts sometimes. Got my hand right there. Get this baby right off of here. That's what I do, man. Hope y'all having a great day. Do it yourself, fixing a nail gun. This is a Hitachi framer. Take our track right off. Now we can get to the heart of the matter. Probably gonna have to take this whole thing off. I'm gonna pull off the back, the top. Got 4 Allens to break. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get these 4 screws right off of there. There we go. We take our back off. Got the back of the gun off now. It's got the poppet inside there. You can see that poppet. Everything looks fine. The driver is stuck inside there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step over here to the vise and I'm going to give it a few bangs and see if we can get it to drop down. So bear with me, I'll be right back. There you go. And the vise goes. Put another one on top of it. Try and bang it down with the hammer. See if we can get it to move any. Got it to move. See if we got it to drop out. Alright, we need to get it to drop out, but it moved. Let's see if we can push it out. Got it to move. It's no longer right there sticking out of the top. If we can push it out, that'd be great. There we go. We got it out. Bumper looks fine. That feels a little loose, but I don't know, maybe we'll grease it up. Grease it up and see how it's doing there. There we go. Put our track back in. Take some grease, the old grease. Grease inside the cylinder and grease the outside of the driver. There's your driver. Shoots those nails out the end. Here we go. Got the driver in. Gonna put our back on. Put our 4 screws in. Put our track on and we'll be able to test this baby. Tighten these suckers up. There you go. That one's tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. And that one's tight. All right, so I could probably go check it now. Take my roller off. I'm gonna go check it real quick. I can plug it in, pull the trigger, driver works, then it's a good gun. Here we go. Give it a little shot. Not good. All right. Well, process of elimination. We're gonna give him another driver. So same process. Gonna take off the back, kick the driver out, and give him a new driver. Because this one's about had it. That's all it is. Yeah, that one's had it. It's hammer time. I'll be able to just push it right on out again and knock it back in. Come on. There it is. We'll get rid of that driver. We can give him a brand new one. Pull it out of the packaging. We are going to put some grease on it. Damn, y'all fell down. Put some grease on a brand new one. Drop her back on. Find this other screw I dropped. Oh, sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's easy. It ain't easy being cheese. Here we go. All right, let's check this sucker out and see if it works now. So we can put the track back on and have a finished product. So it was the driver. Driver's spinning out of control in there, in and out. So everything should be fine now. Yep. All right, all good now, y'all. Got him a new driver. Gun's working. Put everything back. Track back. Track slides right in. Line it up. Crank it on. Get your bolt that's holding you on your gun to your track. Crank that baby on so it's tight. And last but not least, put our guard back on. Guard back on. Screw it on. Fix the driver and this Hitachi framing gun. Took less than, what, 5 minutes? Can't tell. 9 minutes. Cool beans. All right, y'all, have a great day. Until next time, Brother Nick, Fix the Nail Guns, Austin, Texas. God bless you. Peace.